Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn about linear equation in two variable. Okay, what is linear equation? An equation is said to be a linear equation if the degree of variable is 1. What is variable? We know that, or you know that. What is a variable? Variable is nothing else but the value of unknown. Okay, the value of unknown objects such as a, b, c plus up to x, y, z. We know that the unknown numbers are denoted by a, b, c up to x, y, z. Okay, we can use any number such as c, y or w. We can calculate these values, then they are known as variable. Okay, what is coefficient of variable? Coefficient of variable, okay, the number which arrive before the variable. Here variable is x, the number before x is 3, so 3 is coefficient of variable. What is variable? The value of unknown we does not know. Okay, what is the variable? The value of unknown we does not know in equations. Okay, in every equation the value of variable is different. Here 3x is equal to 3, here the value of x is 1. Okay, 3x is equal to 6, here the value of x is 1. Same x are same. Okay, but in equation they are vary. Okay, in equation they are different. Okay, so in different equation the value of variables are different, so the linear equation is nothing else but a equation is said to be a linear equation if the degree of variable is 1. What is the degree of power of the variable? What is degree of variable? That is nothing else but the power of variable. Okay, here x, what is the power of x? No, nothing is given. It is only simply x. Simply x mean x with power 1. Simply x mean x with power 1. If x with power 0, then is nothing else but the 1. Okay, if x with power 0, then this is nothing else but 1. Okay, anything e raised to 0 1, a raised to 0 1. Any variable with power 0 is always 1. Okay, and the variable without any power, it is the power 1. Okay, the variable with power 0 is always 1, and the variable without any power, it is always 1. Okay, variable does not contain any power, that means the power is 1. If variable contain a power of 0, then the variable become 1. Okay, so then what is linear equation? An equation, a linear equation is said to be a variable with degree 1. Okay, here 3x plus 4y is equal to 5, 9x plus y is equal to 7. Here what is the power of variable x and y? 1 1. What is the power of variable x and y? 1 1. Okay, now the general form of linear equation is nothing else but the ax plus by is equal to c. Here a is nothing else but the power coefficient of variable x, b is nothing else but the coefficient of variable b, y. Okay, and c is constant. Okay, c is constant. A is the coefficient of x, b is always the coefficient of y, and c is always constant. Okay, now some graphical representation we have shown. Okay, first graphical representation of a linear variable. Okay, intersecting line. What is mean by intersecting line? Okay, do you know intersecting lines? Yeah, intersecting line means the lines which divide each other. Okay, the line which divide each other. This type of line which contain x plus this line, the lines which are divide each other. Okay, the line which divide each other, for example this type x, this type plus. Okay, we know that x axis and y axis. Okay, here two lines, they cut out each other. Okay, that type of line are known as intersecting line, and the intersecting lines always have a one solution. Okay, the intersecting lines always have a one solution. a1 by a2 is not is equal to b1 by b2. Here x minus 2y is equal to 0, 3x plus 4y minus 20 equal to 0. Here what is a coefficient of x? Coefficient of x always 1, comma. Here what is coefficient of y? Minus 2. Minus 2. Here 2 with sign minus, we know the general form is plus, here is minus, so the coefficient of y is minus. Here second equation, x, what is coefficient? 3, comma, b, okay, sorry, b, what is coefficient? B, what is coefficient? 4. Ab now for first equation a1 b1, for second equation a2 b2. Okay, so a1 by a2, what is a1? 1 by a2 3, b1 by b2, what is b1? Minus 2, what is b2? 4. Are they equal? Are they equal? No, they are not equal. So in graphical representation for the linear equation, if the lines are intersecting lines, okay, in linear equation, if the linear equations are intersecting, then they have only a single solution, only a one solution which satisfy the condition a1 upon a2 is not t is equal to b1 divided by b2. Okay, so second one, what is coincident line? Coincident line, what is mean by coincident line? Now consider we have x-axis and y-axis. Okay, here x-axis and y-axis. If the line pass through the origin, if line pass through the origin, then the line is known as coincident line. What is the coincident line? If the line is passed through, okay, if the line is passed through the x-axis, then the line are known as coincident line. Okay, what are the solution have? They have infinite many solution. Okay, they have infinite many solution. For example, and the condition which satisfy is nothing else but a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Here 2x plus 3y minus 9 equal to 0, 4x plus 6y minus 18 equal to 0. Now a1 is equal to, what is a1? 2. What is b1? 3. What is c1? minus 9. Okay, now what is a2? 4. Coefficient of x. What is b2? Coefficient of y. 6, comma. What is c2? is minus 18. Okay, now we know that we have this type of solution, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. We have to prove that. Now a1 by a2 is equal to 2 by 4. 1 by 2 b1 by b2 is equal to 3 by 6 is equal to 1 by 2. c1 by c2 is equal to minus 9 by minus 18. Minus both in numerator as well as denominator cut out. 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Are they equal? Yes, they are equal. So the coincident line satisfy the condition a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. The graphical representation which show intersecting lines satisfy the condition a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, and it has exactly one solution. Okay, what is coincident line? Coincident line which satisfy the condition a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, and it has infinite many solutions. Okay, what is parallel line? Parallel lines are nothing else. Okay, we know that what is parallel line? That does not intersect each other. Okay, they are parallel, such as the rectangle opposite sides. Okay, rectangle opposite sides also they are known as parallel lines. Okay, now we have equations x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0, 2x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. Here what is a1? a1 is equal to 1, a2 equal to 2, and b1 is equal to 2, and c1 is equal to minus 4. a2 equal to 2, b2 equal to 4, c2 is equal to minus 12. Okay, so now a1 by a2 is equal to 1 by 2, b1 by b2 is equal to 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. Okay, and now what is c1 by c2 is equal to minus 4 by minus 12, minus cancel, 1 by 3. Okay, what is this happen? 1 by 3. a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2. Condition satisfy a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2, but it is equal to c1 by c2. Is it equal to c1 by c2? No, it is not equal to c1 by c2. So the parallel lines has no solution because it satisfies the condition a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 but does not equal to c1 by c2. Okay, so what is linear equation? We have recalled these all. What is linear equation? Linear equation are nothing else but the linear equation in which the variable has degree 1. Okay, the variable has degree 1, and the general form of equation is ax plus by is equal to c, and they have three graphical representation. First, if the linear equation are intersecting, then they has only one solution and satisfy the condition a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. Coincident line which have infinite many solution satisfy the condition a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. Parallel line which have no solution a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. Okay guys, so please give me a comment if you don't understand anything. So please guys, like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.